starving yourself. Here's a sequence of 3 specific actions to do before meals that act like a natural metformin. Listen up, all my level 15 plus sigma males and alpha antis. If you have hit the half-century mark and your blood sugar is doing the gritty every time you look at a piece of bread, you are absolutely cooked. You probably think you need to drop your favorite pastas into the skibbity toilet forever just to survive. You think you have to eat tree bark and air to keep your medical charts looking respectable. Absolutely not. Your boy is here to tell you that cutting carbs completely is complete beta behavior. We do not fear the carbohydrate in this house. We simply outsmart it. We mog the glucose spike. We are about to go over 3 science-based pre-meal protocols that lower your blood sugar without you having to give up the foods you actually enjoy. Let us set the stage here. You go to the doctor. The NPC doctor looks at your blood work and starts yapping about your glucose levels. They tell you to stop eating rice. They tell you to stop eating potatoes. They want you living that sad, miserable keto lifestyle where every piece of bread tastes like a literal kitchen sponge. That is an absolute L. Nobody wants to live like that, especially not when you're over 50 and you have finally reached the boss level of life. You have a mortgage. You have acquired immense lore. You deserve to eat a decent plate of spaghetti without your pancreas crying for help. The secret is not subtraction. The secret is strategy. You just need the right pre-meal rizz to protect your bloodstream. Let me introduce you to the first protocol. I call it the muscle matrix glitch, but the scientists call it exercise-induced GLUT4 translocation. Yeah, we're getting a little nerdy, but keep up, unks. Before you sit down to absolutely demolish a massive plate of mashed potatoes, you need to activate your biological glucose sinks. I'm talking about your muscles. Right now, if you just sit on the couch waiting for dinner, your muscles are acting like complete NPCs. They are just standing there doing nothing. When you eat those carbs, the sugar hits your bloodstream and has nowhere to go. It just wanders around your veins like it's lost in Ohio. That is exactly what causes the massive spike. So what is the protocol? 5 to 10 minutes before you eat, you need to hit a quick set of squats or wall pushes. Just activate the largest muscle groups in your body. We're talking air squats right there in the kitchen while the garlic bread is warming up in the oven. It opens up the gates in your muscle cells. The glucose rushes into your quads instead of hanging out in your blood, causing absolute chaos. You literally siphon the carbohydrates away from your bloodstream and into your massive sigma thighs. Your blood sugar stays incredibly flat. You do not even have to break a sweat or put on gym clothes. Just do 10 to 15 deep squats and you are officially mogging the pasta. The sugar gets burned up immediately and your pancreas does not even have to stress. Now let us talk about Protocol 2, the acetic acid aura shield. If you are drinking plain water before a massive carb-heavy meal, you are leaving free stats on the table. You are playing the game on hard mode for absolutely no reason. Enter apple cider vinegar. This is not just some crunchy internet rumor. This is a scientifically backed elixir that literally pauses time in your stomach. Acetic acid is the active compound, and it has the absolute highest rizz when it comes to blood sugar management. When you mix 1 single tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a tall glass of water and chug it 10 minutes before you eat the carbs, it temporarily blocks the enzymes that break down starch. It is like putting a massive speed bump right in the middle of your digestive highway. The carbs get broken down so much slower. The sugar drips into your bloodstream instead of flooding it all at once like a tsunami. Your pancreas does not have to panic and dump a massive ocean of insulin. You stay incredibly calm. Your blood sugar stays insanely stable. Yes, I know it tastes like literal battery acid mixed with old feet. It is not a grimace shake. It is definitely not a sweet treat. But that is the absolute small price you pay to eat your favorite sandwich like a true alpha. You just chug the sour potion, and suddenly you are completely immune to the carb phantom tax. But listen to me closely right now. Maybe you hate doing squats in the kitchen. Maybe your knees are bad and the squats just are not happening. And maybe you physically cannot stomach the sour vinegar potion because the taste makes you want to gag. Do not worry, because Protocol 3 is the absolute final boss of all blood sugar hacks. It is the fiber-first force field. Science tells us that the order in which you eat your food matters just as much as what you are actually eating. If you eat the bare carbohydrates first on an empty stomach, you are completely cooked. The sugar blasts into your system with zero resistance. But if you coat your stomach lining with soluble fiber before the carbs even touch your lips, you create an impenetrable biological net. You literally build a mesh inside your gut. The carbs get trapped in this mesh and absorb at an absolute snail pace. Now, the classic way to do this is to eat a massive plate of broccoli or a huge dry salad before you touch the pizza. But let us be extremely real right now. The physical pain of forcing down a giant plate of dry raw vegetables when all you want to do is eat a warm slice of pizza is incredibly annoying. It ruins the entire meal vibe. Nobody over 50 wants to sit there chewing through a mountain of raw kale for 20 minutes just to earn the right to eat a normal dinner. The jaw fatigue is real. The hassle is real. It is a massive physical pain point that makes people quit this protocol after 2 days. That is exactly why you need the ultimate physical cheat code to completely bypass the salad chewing phase. I am talking about premium organic psyllium husk capsules. This right here is the absolute GOAT of blood sugar management, and it solves the vegetable problem instantly. Psyllium husk is pure, concentrated, soluble fiber. It is the exact same stuff that makes those huge salads so good at blocking glucose spikes, but without any of the annoying chewing or the bitter taste. You just pop a couple of these capsules with a tall glass of water, 10 to 15 minutes before your meal. They go down easy, and then they expand in your stomach to form a thick protective gel. It is literally a riot shield for your entire digestive tract. Then you just eat your pizza. You eat your rice. And the sugar simply cannot get through the psyllium force field fast enough to cause a crazy spike. Your blood sugar line stays flatter than a pancake. You get to enjoy your favorite foods without the guilt, without the giant salad, and without your doctor yelling at you. It is the biggest W you can possibly get in your daily routine. I put the link to the exact premium brand of psyllium husk capsules I personally recommend right down in the video description. Go click that link right now and get yourself a bottle straight from Amazon. Have it delivered to your door and stop letting carbohydrates bully you. Take the psyllium pill and take back your dietary freedom. Let us dive a little deeper into the lore of your internal organs so you truly understand why this matters. Think of your pancreas like the ultimate support player in your bodily squad. Every time you eat bare carbohydrates without using one of these 3 protocols, your pancreas has to deploy massive amounts of insulin to carry the sugar into your cells. But when you're over 50, your cells start acting completely ignorant. They get insulin resistant. They literally look at the insulin knocking on the door and say, "No thank you, we are at full capacity." So your pancreas has to pump out even more insulin just to get the job done. It is exhausting. Your pancreas is literally sweating, crying, throwing up, trying to keep your blood sugar in the normal range. If you keep doing this day after day, year after year, you end up with type 2 diabetes, which is the ultimate game over state. But when you use these pre-meal protocols, you are basically giving your pancreas an all-expenses-paid vacation. You are stepping up to the plate and doing the heavy lifting yourself. Let us review the holy trinity of glucose management one more time for the people in the back. First, you can hit the muscle matrix glitch. You do those pre-meal squats. You force the muscle cells to open their doors without even needing a drop of insulin. The glucose just walks right in. Second, you can deploy the acetic acid aura shield. You drink that apple cider vinegar water and slow down the entire digestion process. The sugar enters the chat so slowly that your pancreas barely even notices. And third, you build the fiber first force field. You hit the link in the description, you buy the psyllium husk capsules from Amazon, and you swallow them before the meal. You create a physical barrier of pure, unyielding gel inside your stomach that completely traps the carbohydrates. The sugar gets caught in the spider web. It is a flawless victory every single time. Let us talk about what happens if you completely ignore everything I just said today. Let us say you're feeling incredibly rebellious. You sit down at a diner and you order a massive stack of pancakes smothered in maple syrup. You do no squats, you drink 0 vinegar, you completely ignore the psyllium husk capsules linked in the description below. What happens to your body in that exact scenario? First of all, the sugar hits your empty stomach and evaporates straight into your bloodstream. Your continuous glucose monitor looks like a space shuttle launching into low Earth orbit. You feel a massive rush of fake energy. You think you're invincible. You think you're the absolute main character. But then the tragedy strikes. About 90 minutes later, the insulin finally catches up and slams your blood sugar all the way down to the absolute center of the earth. You experience the legendary post-meal crash. You're sitting on the couch, and suddenly gravity feels 10 times heavier. Your eyelids are dragging on the floor. You can't keep your eyes open to save your own life. You have zero motivation to do anything except take a 3-hour nap. Your brain fog is so thick you can't even remember your own middle name. That right there is the blood sugar roller coaster. It completely destroys your productivity. It literally ages your organs from the inside out. Every time you spike and crash, you are getting phantom taxed by your own metabolism. But the beta males out there will tell you that the only solution is to never eat a pancake ever again. We absolutely reject that reality. We are living in the future. We have science. We have basic biology hacks. We have the absolute pinnacle of human knowledge right at our fingertips. You do not have to live in fear of a potato, you just have to follow the rules of engagement. If you are over 50, it is time to stop playing defense and start playing offense. Implement the pre-meal squats to drain the glucose into your legs. Chug the sour potion to slow down the starch breakdown. Or take the absolute easiest route and secure the bag with the psyllium husk capsules from Amazon linked below to build your internal force field. Do not let the anti-carb propaganda convince you that your life has to be boring. Stay based, stay sigma, protect your blood sugar, and keep eating the foods that actually make life worth living. Drop a comment below if you're going to try one of these protocols today. Keep mewing through the carb spikes, and I will catch you in the next one. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your routines.